Hello, hi guys, welcome you all to Nagsar YouTube channel. In 68 episode, we are going to discuss on the proper or correct use of article a, an and the. In part 1, in episode 67, we have already discussed the definition as well as some of the examples of a and the article. Now in part 2, we are going to give detailed ideas about the article and its use. So let us start with A. A is an indefinite article. It is generally used before a singular noun with a consonant sound. The sound is important. It must be a consonant sound and the noun should be singular in form. Okay. So before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, the race, any particular things we have all discussed in part 1. Now in part 2 we want to cover all that is left in part 1. So before the names of a profession, like he is a teacher, she is a nurse, a is to be used before the names of a profession like a teacher, a nurse. Clear? Number 2, before a particular lunch or dinner or breakfast or supper. Before a particular lunch, dinner, breakfast or supper, we can use a. I had a dinner with you yesterday. Another example, I had a breakfast with you last morning. So this is all example of the particular lunch, dinner, breakfast and supper. Before it, we have to use a as the indefinite article. Number 3, before a unit of measurement. When a unit of measurement is expressed, we have to use a before it. Like rice is sold 30 rupees a kilo. Rice is sold at 30 rupees a kilo. So a kilo, it is a unit of measurement. Clear? So remember one thing, indefinite article a is used before a singular noun with a consonant sound or with a consonant pronunciation. So pronunciation or sound is important while using a article or an article or the article. He is an honest man. Here we use an. Why? Honest. Why? Because honest is pronounced as honest or not honest. If it could be used pronounced as honest, we could say he is a honest man. Clear? She is an MP. MP. The pronunciation is A. First starting pronunciation is A. So she is an MP. But while making it full form, you can use she is a member of parliament. Okay. Mobile phone is a useful instrument. A useful. While the first letter of any word used as U, but it is pronounced as U, you must use A before it. Other than pronunciation U, you can use an. Like I am using an umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. But a university. So U if is used, U if it is pronounced as U, then it must carry before it A as indefinite article. So indefinite article an is used before a singular noun with a vowel sound, with a vowel pronunciation. That is to be remembered. Number 3. The article the is a definite article. The is used before a noun which is definite, which is unique, which is particular, which is specific, while using astronomical bodies, while using island countries, while using federals or union countries, we have to use the. For example, any definite noun should carry before it the, like the bank, the post office, the temple, the church, the parliament house, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, etc. and etc. These are definite, these are specific. Another example is unique. Whatever is unique, like the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, they are unique. They are unique structure. So they are unique, they should carry before it definite article the. Whatever is giving an information of astronomical bodies like the sun, the moon, the earth, the satellites, these should carry before it the. The West Indies, the Andamans, they are the island countries before it, we must use the. The West Indies, the Andamans. And before the union countries like the USA, the UK, the USSR, we have to use the before it. The is not used before the following items like school. You can say I am going to school. You can't say I am going to this school. I am going to hospital. Should not say I am going to the hospital. If your intention is other than what you are going to, the place, then you can use the. ମନେକର ଜଣେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଉଛି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ, ସେଠି ତୁମେ କହିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ I am going to the school. But your father, to meet the headmaster, if he is going to school, he is going to school not for studying, not for learning. He is going to have a discussion with the headmaster. So he is going to the school. If a patient is going to a hospital, you can say I am going to hospital. But if somebody is going to hospital to have any inspection, then you can say he is going to the hospital to have an inspection. Okay, if your purpose is something different, then you can use the to make it specific or definite. Remember another thing, India is a country where so many states are there, but you cannot say the India, but you have to say the USA. There are 50 states in USA, but you have to say the USA, but not the India. So India, China, Japan, these are separate. They cannot carry before it the. All the rivers, all the mountains, all these lakes, they should carry before it the. But Mount Everest, you should not write the Mount Everest. If you write the Mount Everest, it will be incorrect. Only write Mount Everest. Don't write the Chilka. Even if it is a lake, name of a lake, you have to use only Chilka. So, I think the clear idea about A and the article is given in these two episodes. If you like the episodes 68 and 67, give it a subscription and also share. Thank you all. Jai Jagannath.